next, I think I'll just do one last thing, and that's a request. It was to look at Gari for some reason, because I think it's a shitcoin, but I always take requests. Oh my god, it's dropping, dude. Veg food lover BR. Gary. Strong bullish trend. Dude, there's no strong bullish trend on this token. I don't know why you think there's a strong bullish trend. Where is the trend? I can't see it. I'm looking at the higher time frame. Yeah. This is the higher time frame. Let me delete this these brush strokes. Okay. Where's the trend? Look, I'll show you the trend. Lower highs. Lower lows. That's your trend. Where's the strong uptrend? I don't see a strong uptrend. There's no strong uptrend on this, my friends. This is a strong downtrend. Don't see it. Look at the moving averages. That's the weekly 50 moving average. Look how strong that is. That's a strong down trend. We're under the weekly 50 moving average. That's your invalidation. Sell. That's it. And if the price goes back above that weekly 50 moving average, buy. But at the moment it's a sell. It's not a buy. There's literally no trend change on this token. Yeah. Let me just explain it to you in a way that you'll understand. Right. I'll draw it out for you. Okay. This is your lower high. This is your lower low. This is your lower high. This is your lower low. If you want a trend change, you need to get, the price needs to get back above this line, about above this high here. If you want a trend change, you need to make a higher high. That's a higher high right there, above this yellow line. Okay, then you need to make a higher low somewhere here, and then you need to make a higher high. You need to make another higher high. So you basically need to make two higher highs in a row, and in between the higher highs there needs to be a higher low. Until you see this kind of behavior, there's no trend change. Absolutely no trend change. And what I'm seeing now with Gary is continuation of a downward trend. I'm not seeing an uptrend. Just delete all these again, just to show you in a very clear and precise manner. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower low. Yeah. Where's the higher high? There's no higher high. This is not a higher high. This is not a higher high. Quite simply because you need to get past that line there, this line here. Okay. And actually what you've got here is a swing failure pattern on this high there. That's a swing failure on that high. It's bearish. That's a sell. That's a sell signal. As soon as you swing failure that, not only do you have a swing failure, you have a very nice weekly back test right there. See that? That's a weekly back test. So you have a very strong resistance line at this previous high because we've had a back test. There's your SR flip on that high. So very bearish. This, you see this weekly formation here? That's like a bear trap, bull trap. Look at that. It looks like a bullish reversal. But last week, that weekly candle, not only did it reverse it, it closed 50% underneath the body. It took the liquidity from the lows. It only closed, and it closed lower than 50%. That's bearish. All of this configuration right now, it's kind of similar to this. You see how you have this expanding candle, and then the price comes down. It takes the liquidity from here, like it did here, closes lower than halfway, the price couldn't get back above halfway and then just sold off. So even if the price comes back, if it can't get back past way, it would just sell off, just exactly the same as before. You're looking at a very bearish continuation. Potentially you're looking at some sort of head and shoulders pattern. Potentially, it's hard to see, but there's a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern forming here. I think Gary is going to go down and fill this gap here, all of this gap here. There's a lot of gaps here. I think we're going to go down, fill all of this, see if all these people who bought sell. I'm going to test all this volume. Let's test this volume. Let's see if these people dump. Yeah. Let's see if these people hold. Let's see if these people buy more. But this is looking very ugly, my friends. Very ugly. I wouldn't buy this at all. Just avoid it. Get out and buy some TRVL. I'm showing you a much better token. I'm talking about it every single day. Sell your Gary. Buy this. Look at this. Look at the price. Look at the way the price is moving. Yeah. Let me find another chart.